Hi Raylaners, WeBull finally has fractional shares and I've been getting a lot of questions on how to buy them. So here is a very quick and easy tutorial so you can crush the stock market. And while you're at it, please crush that like button. Let's get started. If you would like 2 free stocks and to support the channel, sign up for WeBull, link in the description. And as a bonus, get a free year membership to the Sober Girl Investor community where we learn how to be wealthy and save the world. What are fractional shares exactly? When you buy 1 share of a company, you are buying a slice of that chocolate-covered strawberry apple pie a la mode company. You are literally an owner of that company. Fractional shares are where you invest on a dollar basis instead of a whole share. So you get a sliver of a slice of that pumpkin cinnamon spiced company pie. This is amazing because instead of buying, let's say, Tesla, 1 share of Tesla, which is $711, or better yet, 1 share of Amazon, which is $3,300, you can get $1 of Amazon or $1 worth of Tesla. So how do we do this? Let's go to Amazon. We go to the bottom of the screen with the blue button that says trade, where it says order type and limit. We're going to change that to where it says market. And here we have fractional shares trading enabled. Click that. Where it says whole share in blue, we're going to go to fractional share. Now it's a little bit wonky here because we don't have the exact dollar amount, but let's say you want to invest 10%. And now where it says time in force day, you can only do this during market hours, which is 9:30 to 4. And then at the bottom, we're going to click buy. Something to note also is at the close to the bottom is the estimated amount. It says $335.20. Make sure that's how much you want to pay. And then at the bottom, the green button, hit buy when you're ready to purchase. So you're probably thinking, okay, this is great and fantastic, but before you just blindly go and invest all of your money with these stocks, please just understand that there is one big con, and that is what's known as market order. So we saw that there was limit order and we saw that there was market order. So in a market order, it basically means that you will get the market price or whatever the share price is exactly at that moment, and that is within your fractional share. Now, with a limit order, basically the investor is in control and you get to decide what you want to specifically pay for that stock. So that's just something to be aware of. Just remember that you are getting it at market order, which isn't always the best price that an investor wants to get it at. So it might be a pro or a con, but depending on the amount of exposure or percentage of your portfolio you have in a specific stock, that's something to be aware of as well. So for all of those high growth speculative stocks, we want to have a very small percentage in our portfolio for that. So fractional shares may be a great way to do that. And last, just something to be aware of are dividends. So if a company hands out dividends, which is a little bit of money that you get if you invest in a company, which is pretty cool. There are some monthly dividends that you can invest in as well. Then you will get a fraction of that based on the amount of fractional shares that you own. So you will receive a dividend, it will just be a little less. So even though there are a few cons or a few things to look out for, I still think this is a great way, especially if you are on a budget. Especially if you just want to allocate specifically for exposure of your portfolio. I think this is a great way to do that. Now, this is not financial advice, but I would say to allocate between 10 to 20% for yourself to invest. Now, it doesn't have to be a lot. If you're living paycheck to paycheck, please provide for your necessities. Don't think about investing right now. But if you are able to allocate 10 to 20% of your money into investing and you don't need that money for the next 5 to 10 years, then definitely put that into the stock market. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, comment down below what you would like to learn about next. And in the next video, it's going to be a juicy one. We're going to talk about the 5 best ETFs that I personally own that I love and have returned 30% last year alone. Of course, this is Supergirl Investor, here to save the world and make you wealthy. I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day, and please, please, please be safe.